This is a test of the National Weather Service NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards Warning Alarm System in cooperation with the Emergency Alert System. Tests of this alarm system are conducted every Wednesday at 11 a.m. and 7 p.m. If there is a severe weather threat, as there was last night, the tests are postponed until the next available good weather today. This is Wednesday's test. The alarm tone will activate for severe weather and other life-threatening emergency messages for the following 14 transmitters and associated broadcast areas: WXL-57 at Des Moines, WXL-94 at Bremer County, WXK-84 at Fort Dodge, KXI-98 at Marshalltown, KXI-62 at Montezuma, WXN-91 at Raspin Lake, WNG-730 at Asumwa, KZZ-51 at Carroll, KZZ-68 at Van Wert, KXI-65 at Lenox, WNG-666 at Iowa Falls, WNG-668 at Denison, WNG-688 at Ringstead, and KJY-63 at Forest City. For a detailed listing of what counties are served by each transmitter, please visit the NOAA Weather Radio section of our website at weather.gov/Des Moines. Once again, please visit the NOAA Weather Radio section of our website at weather.gov/Des Moines. This concludes our test. We now return to regular programming.